You wouldn't believe how many people asked to join this event. Probably we received hundreds of requests, and obviously we had to say no. Our goal here at the CISO Club is to create a safe place for security leaders and CISOs to talk, ask questions, talk about what it is that they want without a minute after they ask 10,000 vendors, jump on them and telling them, oh, you wouldn't believe, surprisingly enough, this is exactly what we're doing. So we wanted to create this safe place. And I'm very, very, very happy to see you all here. It's going to be a unique event. And to explain how unique the event is going to be, I'm going to show you the following slide. Are you ready? Yeah, perfect.
CISO Club! CISO Club! CISO Club! CISO Club!
CISO Club, we rise, we stand, guarding every line in this digital land. Together we fight, together we shine. CISO Club, the front line.
CISO Club! 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 We rise, we stand, guarding every line in this digital land. Together we fight, together we shine. CISO Club, the front line. CISO Club.
Welcome to the CISO Club annual event.
So it's going to be an amazing event, as you can see. Now it has to be. Thank you so much, Lenore, for making this video happen and for organizing everything together with Ida from Gnostic. So thank you for that. Guys, I have a lot of things to tell you, but I don't want to spend too much time here because we have amazing, amazing guests today. I'm sure you've seen the program. At the end of the event, we're going to have the first CISO Club startup program where 3 amazing entrepreneurs, they're going to present their startup here, and there's going to be some feedback from the CISOs. So I encourage you to stay till the end. It's going to be very, very interesting. I'm going to talk about everything a bit later, but before we do that, I want to call to the stage Professor Benny Israel to give us some opening remarks. Professor Benny Israel, the stage is yours.
Actually, after this clip, I should say nothing. Welcome you, everyone, coming to this. It's now the 15th annual conference that we are doing. I don't remember if we had CISO Club in the past, but the Cyber Week, it's the 15 years. During this years, the word cyber changed meanings. Still, we call it somehow information. It's not, as we all know, I mean, I don't have to tell it to you. It's not only about information. Information is one very important aspect of securing other things that information is only one very important aspect of securing computers in our life. And every day, computers make more progress, become smaller, enter into new areas of life, and so security of it becomes more and more important. And the most important, perhaps, new technology is what we call AI, artificial intelligence. People think that the old king is dead, long live the new one. Not cyber, but now it's AI. They tend to forget that it's very true that AI is much more applicable than what we call cybersecurity. AI can be applied to healthcare, to academic research, to HR, to any area in our life. Still, people tend to forget that the more AI will succeed, That means that the more dependent our society will be on communication between human beings and computers, which means there will be more weak points for the bad guys to attack for their own interest, not the original interest for which we build those systems, which means security need will go up. The more AI we will succeed, the more need for securing computers and communication between computers will go up. This means that your I don't know how to call it, profession, have a very bright future. It's not something, a kind of fashion that will go and disappear in few years, etc. It's on the contrary. I hope we will have every year this CISO club. I appreciate the work that is, generally speaking, done by CISOs, although I would change the name. And I hope to see you all next year, especially special thanks for those who came from abroad. And we know it's, we are not still in a fully peaceful time, and we appreciate very much that you came. Thank you very much.